Hey, what's up everybody? My name's Jeff and this is GIS Chops. I went to the ESRI User Conference this summer in San Diego, picked up a bunch of tricks, most of them from a session called Tips and Tricks in ArcGIS Pro, presented by Aubrey and Sarah. It was a really good session, so thanks you two. This one, I'm surprised I didn't know about it, but this one is quite simple. If you have a lot of windows open in your main view, it extends out beyond all these. You can just hover over the tabs and scroll your mouse wheel. So you can scroll your mouse wheel back and forth and it will scroll through all the things that you have open there in the main view. You can also come to this drop down, hit that, it gives you a list. I knew about this one. I did not know about being able to scroll through the open views. So there's a quick tip for you today. I'm trying to post more often, so I thought I'd throw that out there for you. I'm trying to keep you up on all the tricks that I use and the tips that I use in being more efficient in my work. Thought I'd get you some GIS chops there. I just wanted to also float something past you guys and see what you think about it. I've been listening to The Office Ladies. I listened to that podcast and they were talking about book clubs and various book clubs, the drama in book clubs. I was wondering if anybody would be interested in doing a GIS or geography book club. We could do it a virtual book club. We could go over to my Discord server and have discussions over there. Or if you wanted to send me video clips or audio clips, I could play them and we could do a virtual book club. Tell me what you think about that and let me know in the comments. Also, it would help me out if you subscribed, liked the videos. You know, if you like videos and share videos that you like on YouTube, YouTube will show you more of that type of content. So if you really like GIS content, be sure to like and subscribe and share GIS videos. It doesn't have to be my videos. Just share any of them. Share John Nelson's videos and my videos and anybody else that puts out GIS content. There's that quick tip. Thanks for watching and thanks for being the best looking GIS people out there. We'll see you next time.